Before we start today, I want to ask you one simple question. Please don't answer out loud. Just think about it quietly. What was the biggest lesson you learned this?
Not the biggest event, not the happiest moment, but the biggest lesson.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where we learn English slowly, clearly, and naturally. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma, and hello, everyone listening today, at home, at work, on the bus, or maybe before sleep. I'm Davey, and I'm very happy to be here.
I'm happy too, Davey. Today feels a little special, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. It feels calm, too, and a little emotional.
Exactly, because today we're not just practicing English. We're talking about your year,
Your life.
your experiences.
Davey, how do you feel right now?
Honestly, I feel reflective.
Reflective. That's a beautiful word. It means we're looking back and thinking carefully.
Yes.
Looking at the good things
Yes.
and also have the reward from Rufus. And also the difficult things.
That's right, because a year is not just happy days. It's everything together.
Good days, bad days, busy days, quiet days.
And Boisag Pete Shore, and all of them teach us something. So Davey, when you think about this year, what is the first thing that comes to your mind?
Yes, I feel like the year went very fast.
I feel the same. January feels like yesterday.
Exactly. I remember the beginning of the year so clearly. But now, it's already over.
Why do you think time feels so fast?
Because we are busy. When life is busy, time flies.
Brandy sprout for Carbach so proper surprise. That's true. Were you busy this year?
Very busy. I worked a lot. I worried a lot. And sometimes, I forgot to rest.
Let's talk about specific things. Davey, tell me one important thing you did this year.
Okay. This year, I changed my routine.
You changed your routine?
Yes. Before, I woke up late. I skipped breakfast. I felt tired all day.
And what did you change?
I started waking up earlier. I ate breakfast every morning. And I walked for 20 minutes a day.
That's a big change. How did it make you feel?
At first, it was difficult. But later, I felt healthier and calmer.
That's wonderful. You see, everyone listening, we just used the past simple tense.
I changed. I started. I felt.
Davey, not every memory is easy. Was there a difficult moment this year?
Yes. There was.
You can share if you want. Ter parter seven gars, farvis repride.
I felt very stressed in the middle of the year. I tried to do everything perfectly. Work, family, life.
That sounds heavy.
It was. I didn't sleep well. I felt tired all the time.
Many people feel this way. You're not alone. So Davey, what was the biggest lesson you learned this year?
My biggest lesson was this. Rest is not a waste of time.
That's powerful. Can you explain?
I used to feel guilty when I rested. If I sat down, I felt lazy.
I understand that feeling.
But this year, my body said, stop. I had no energy. So I had to listen.
And What happened when you rested?
I worked better later. I thought more clearly. I felt more like myself.
That's a very important lesson. Rest prepares us to live better. Now let's connect the past to the present. Davy, tell me something you have learned this year.
I have learned to listen to my body.
That's great. I have learned to slow down.
We have learned that life is not a race.
Exactly. As you had something wandering,
Exactly.
the learning happened in the past, but it is important now.
Yes. That's why we use the present perfect.
What about people? Did relationships change for you this year?
I realized who truly cares about me.
How does it feel neither to give you realize that?
When I had a hard time, some people stayed. Some people disappeared.
That teaches us a lot.
I learned to appreciate the people who stayed.
If you're listening right now, I want you to remember something. If this year was hard for you, it does not mean you failed.
It means you lived. And you learned.
Learning English is the same. You make mistakes. You feel slow sometimes.
But if you're still here, you are.
Before we go, we have one question for you. What was the biggest lesson you learned this year?
Write it in the comments. You can say, I learned, or I have learned.
If you are learning English step by step, year by year, subscribe and learn with us.
You are not alone on this journey.
Thank you for listening. We're proud of you.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now. Keep learning.